this is Chris Boyd, and for my final project, I chose to do a compelling max patch using jitter. I started with my Player 1 max patch. From there, I replaced my complex series of gained objects with the more flexible matrix object, controlled by 4 dial objects. The 2 major additions were providing for video playback and the reading and writing of a cue file. As before, files can be dragged to the corresponding drag zones for 2 separate audio files and a video file. Those files will populate the cue list with file names and a starting Q0. Clicking anywhere on the first waveform will start the playback from that point and pre-store that point as a potential cue. Cues will auto-increment or can be replaced by manually setting the cue number. The call cue list object can be opened and edited for plain text in order to rename the cue points. The read and write objects are designed to store sets of files and cue points. Read opens a dialog box to load in a set of media and a list of cues. Write allows saving new sets or modifications. When the patch is loaded, 2 synchronized video destinations are created: a thumbnail on the patch itself and a second floating window. The second window attempts to land on a second display if one is available. The full screen message will expand the floating window to the full screen on whichever display it resides, allowing for a seamless presentation to a separate monitor or projector. A preset matrix allows for storing both zeroed out and default volume settings. Again, the basic design is to allow 2 separate audio files to be routed to 2 separate audio outputs and mix those outputs as desired. It can also be used to prepare and play a multimedia piece without the sloppy presentation of showing a second desktop to the audience. The idea was inspired by a colleague, Rob Frankenberry, that asked the best way to play a movie, its sound file, and a click track for performance. I hope to be able to refine the interface enough for him and other colleagues to use it in their own performances in the near future. Thank you.